Hey there, welcome to Fact Frenzy. Ready to turbocharge your animal IQ? From rainforest treetops to midnight oceans and scorching deserts, today we're unleashing 25 bite-sized, mind-blowing facts that prove nature is stranger and cooler than fiction. If you're into surprising superpowers, odd habits, and epic survival tricks, you're in the right place. Let's jump into 25 animal facts. Fact number 1. Lions. Lions, often called the king of the jungle, are actually native to grasslands and savannas, not jungles. They are the only cats that live in groups, known as prides, which can include up to 40 members. Within a pride, the females do most of the hunting while the males protect the territory. Lions are also known for their mighty roar, which can be heard from as far as 5 miles away, making it one of the loudest sounds in the animal kingdom. Another fascinating fact is that lions spend most of their day resting. In fact, they can sleep up to 20 hours a day to conserve energy for hunting and protecting their pride. Despite their reputation as fierce predators, lions are surprisingly social animals and often show affection by rubbing heads and licking each other. Sadly, their population is declining due to habitat loss and poaching, making them a vulnerable species that needs protection. Fact number 2. Tigers. Tigers are the largest members of the cat family, known for their powerful build and striking orange coats with black stripes. Each tiger's stripe pattern is unique, much like human fingerprints, and helps them blend into their forest or grassland environments. They are solitary hunters, relying on stealth and strength to take down prey, often ambushing animals that are several times their own size. Tigers are also excellent swimmers, a rare trait among big cats, and often cool off or hunt in rivers and lakes. Sadly, tigers are endangered, with fewer than 4,000 left in the wild due to habitat loss, poaching, and human conflict. Conservation efforts, including protected reserves and anti-poaching initiatives, are vital to their survival. These majestic animals play a key role in maintaining healthy ecosystems by controlling prey populations, which makes their protection even more important for biodiversity. Fact number 3. Elephants. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth, with African elephants being slightly bigger than their Asian relatives. These gentle giants can weigh up to 14,000 pounds and stand as tall as 13 feet at the shoulder. One of their most iconic features is their trunk, which is actually a fusion of their upper lip and nose. This versatile tool has over 40,000 muscles, allowing elephants to lift heavy logs, pick up tiny objects, and even use it like a snorkel when swimming. Their enormous ears also help them stay cool by radiating excess body heat. Beyond their size, elephants are known for their incredible intelligence and strong family bonds. They live in matriarchal herds, led by the oldest female, and display behaviors such as cooperation, problem-solving, and even mourning their dead. Elephants communicate through a wide range of sounds, some so low in frequency that humans can't hear them. Unfortunately, these majestic creatures face threats from poaching and habitat loss, making conservation efforts vital to ensure their survival for future generations. Fact number 4. Giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest land animals on Earth, with males reaching up to 18 feet tall. Their incredible height comes from their long necks, which can measure up to 6 feet alone. Despite having such long necks, giraffes actually have the same number of neck vertebrae as humans, just 7. These extra-large vertebrae give them the ability to reach the tallest branches and leaves that most other animals can't access, making them perfectly adapted to life on the African savanna. Another fascinating fact is that giraffes only need about 30 minutes of sleep each day, usually taken in short naps standing up. They also have a powerful heart, weighing up to 25 pounds, which pumps blood all the way to their brain. This unique circulation system prevents them from fainting when they bend down to drink water. With their height, spotted coats, and gentle nature, giraffes are not only extraordinary survivors but also one of the most iconic animals in the wild. Fact number 5. Zebra. Zebras are one of the most recognizable animals in the world, thanks to their bold black and white stripes. Interestingly, no two zebras have the exact same stripe pattern. It's as unique as a human fingerprint. These stripes aren't just for show. Scientists believe they serve multiple purposes, such as helping zebras identify each other, confusing predators, and even deterring biting insects like flies. Another fascinating fact is that zebras are highly social animals that live in groups called herds. Within these herds, they rely on strong bonds and teamwork for protection. When threatened by predators like lions, zebras often huddle close together, making it harder for the predator to single one out. Their ability to run at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour also gives them a fighting chance in the wild. Fact number 6. Kangaroo. Kangaroos are iconic animals native to Australia, best known for their powerful hind legs and distinctive hopping movement. They can leap up to 25 feet in a single bound and reach speeds of over 35 miles per hour, making them one of the fastest marsupials in the world. What's even more fascinating is their strong tail, which isn't just for balance. It acts like a fifth limb, helping them push off the ground and maneuver while hopping. Another amazing fact is that kangaroos are marsupials, meaning mothers carry and nurse their young in pouches. A baby kangaroo, called a joey, is born extremely small, about the size of a jelly bean, and continues to grow inside the pouch for several months until it's strong enough to explore the outside world. Kangaroos are also highly social animals, often living in groups called mobs, which helps them protect each other from predators. Fact number 7. Koala. Koalas are marsupials native to Australia, best known for their fluffy ears, spoon-shaped noses, and tree-dwelling lifestyle. Despite often being called koala bears, they are not bears at all. They belong to the marsupial family, just like kangaroos. Koalas spend most of their time in eucalyptus trees, which provide both food and shelter. Their diet mainly consists of eucalyptus leaves, which are tough, toxic to most animals, and low in nutrients. Because of this, koalas have developed a highly specialized digestive system that helps them break down the toxins and survive on this limited diet. Due to their low-energy food source, koalas conserve energy by sleeping up to 18 to 20 hours a day. They are mostly nocturnal, becoming active at night to feed and climb between trees. Sadly, koalas face many threats, including habitat loss from deforestation, bushfires, and diseases like chlamydia, which affect their survival. Conservation efforts are ongoing to protect their habitats and ensure these iconic Australian animals continue to thrive for future generations. Fact number 8. Panda. Pandas are one of the most beloved animals in the world, easily recognized by their black and white fur. Native to the mountain ranges of central China, they spend most of their lives in dense bamboo forests. Interestingly, although they belong to the order Carnivora, over 99% of their diet is bamboo. An adult panda can eat up to 40 pounds of bamboo each day to get enough energy, since bamboo is low in nutrients. Despite their adorable appearance, pandas are strong animals and excellent climbers. They use their powerful jaws to crush tough bamboo stalks, and their pseudo-thumb, a modified wrist bone, helps them grip bamboo like a hand. Pandas are also known for their playful behavior, often rolling around, climbing trees, and sliding down slopes, which makes them a favorite subject in zoos and documentaries. Fact number 9. Gorilla. Gorillas are the largest primates on Earth, and they share about 98% of their DNA with humans, making them one of our closest relatives. They live in family groups called troops, which are usually led by a dominant male known as a silverback. These powerful leaders protect their group, make decisions about movement, and even settle disputes among members. Despite their massive size and intimidating appearance, gorillas are mostly gentle creatures that prefer peace over conflict. What's surprising is that gorillas are primarily herbivores, feeding on leaves, stems, fruit, and bamboo shoots. A fully grown male can eat up to 40 pounds of vegetation in a single day. They play an important role in their ecosystems by dispersing seeds through their droppings, which helps forests grow. Sadly, gorillas are critically endangered due to habitat loss and poaching, making conservation efforts essential to protect these incredible animals. Fact number 10. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzees are our closest living relatives, sharing about 98 to 99% of our DNA. They live in groups called communities that can have over 50 members, and within these groups, they form strong social bonds. Chimps are known for their intelligence, using tools like sticks to fish termites out of mounds, or stones to crack open nuts. They also have complex ways of communicating, using gestures, facial expressions, and different sounds to share information. But chimpanzees aren't just smart, they also show emotions very similar to ours. They laugh when playing, comfort each other when sad, and can even hold grudges. Sadly, their populations are declining due to habitat loss and poaching. This makes them an endangered species, reminding us how important it is to protect them, not just because they're incredible animals, but because they're a window into our own evolutionary past. Fact number 11. Dolphin. Dolphins are highly intelligent marine mammals known for their playful nature and remarkable communication skills. They live in groups called pods, which can consist of just a few individuals or even hundreds working together. Dolphins use a variety of sounds, including whistles and clicks, not only to communicate but also to navigate through echolocation. This unique ability allows them to see underwater by sending out sound waves that bounce back from objects, helping them find prey and avoid obstacles even in murky waters. Beyond their intelligence, dolphins also show strong social bonds and even empathy toward one another. They've been observed protecting injured pod members, and in some cases, even assisting humans in the ocean. With their playful leaps, synchronized swimming, and friendly demeanor, dolphins have fascinated people for centuries and continue to be a symbol of joy and freedom in the marine world. Fact number 12. Whale. Whales are the largest animals on Earth, with the blue whale holding the record as the biggest creature to have ever lived. These giants can grow up to 100 feet long and weigh as much as 200 tons, roughly the weight of 33 elephants. Despite their massive size, whales feed primarily on tiny organisms like krill, consuming up to 4 tons of them per day. What's even more fascinating is that whales are mammals, meaning they breathe air, nurse their young with milk, and even have belly buttons just like humans. Beyond their size, whales play a vital role in the ocean ecosystem. Their movements help circulate nutrients, supporting marine life at all levels. Some species, like humpback whales, are also known for their haunting and complex songs, which can travel for miles underwater. Scientists believe these songs could be a form of communication or even a way to navigate the vast oceans. Whales aren't just incredible creatures to look at, they're essential caretakers of the seas. Fact number 13. Sharks. Sharks are among the oldest creatures on Earth, having roamed the oceans for over 400 million years, even before trees existed. They come in over 500 different species. Ranging from the tiny dwarf lantern shark, which is only about the size of a human hand, to the massive whale shark, which can grow up to 40 feet long. Despite their reputation as dangerous predators, most sharks are actually harmless to humans, with many feeding mainly on fish, plankton, or small marine animals. What makes sharks truly fascinating is their biology. Unlike most fish, sharks don't have bones. Their skeletons are made of cartilage, the same flexible material in our noses and ears. They also have an extraordinary sense of smell and can detect a drop of blood in the water from miles away. Plus, their skin is covered in tiny tooth-like structures called dermal denticles, which help them swim faster by reducing drag. These features make sharks one of the ocean's most perfectly adapted hunters. Fact number 14. Octopus. The octopus is one of the ocean's most fascinating creatures, known for its incredible intelligence and problem-solving skills. With 8 flexible arms lined with suction cups, it can manipulate objects, open jars, and even escape from aquariums. Its brain power is astonishing. Scientists have discovered that 2/3 of its neurons are actually in its arms, allowing them to move and react independently. This gives the octopus an almost alien-like ability to multitask, making it one of the smartest invertebrates on Earth. Another remarkable feature of the octopus is its masterful camouflage. Using specialized skin cells called chromatophores, it can instantly change its color and texture to blend into rocks, coral, or sand. This ability helps it avoid predators like sharks and dolphins. When camouflage isn't enough, the octopus has a backup defense. It releases a cloud of ink, confusing attackers and making a quick escape. With these skills, the octopus has earned a reputation as both a genius and an escape artist of the sea. Fact number 15. Penguin. Penguins are fascinating flightless birds that are perfectly adapted to life in the water. Instead of wings for flying, they have strong flippers that help them fly through the ocean with incredible speed and agility. Most penguins live in the southern hemisphere, with the largest populations found in Antarctica. However, not all penguins live in icy regions. Species like the Galapagos penguin actually thrive in warmer climates near the equator. Another interesting fact is that penguins are social animals, often living in large colonies called rookeries. These colonies can consist of thousands of birds, which helps protect them from predators and harsh weather. Penguins also communicate with unique vocal calls, which allow parents and chicks to recognize each other among the crowd. Their strong sense of community and survival adaptations make them one of the most remarkable birds in the animal kingdom. Fact number 16. Eagles. Eagles are among the most powerful birds of prey in the world, known for their sharp eyesight, strong talons, and incredible wingspans that can reach over 7 feet depending on the species. Their vision is about 4 to 5 times stronger than that of a human, allowing them to spot prey from over a mile away. Eagles primarily hunt fish, small mammals, and other birds, using a swift dive called a stoop to snatch their prey with astonishing precision. Not only are eagles skilled hunters, but they also symbolize strength and freedom in many cultures around the world. The bald eagle, for example, is the national bird of the United States, representing courage and independence. Eagles build some of the largest nests in the animal kingdom, sometimes weighing over a ton, and they reuse these nests year after year. These majestic birds continue to inspire awe with their grace in flight and their commanding presence in nature. Fact number 17. Owl. Owls are fascinating birds known for their silent flight and incredible night vision. Their large, forward-facing eyes give them excellent depth perception, allowing them to hunt effectively in low light. Unlike most birds, owls can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees, thanks to special adaptations in their neck bones and blood vessels. This unique ability helps them spot prey without having to move their entire body. Another amazing fact is that owls have specialized feathers that allow them to fly almost silently. The edges of their wings are fringed, which reduces noise and helps them sneak up on unsuspecting prey. With sharp talons and a powerful beak, owls are skilled hunters, feeding on rodents, insects, and even other birds. Their mysterious hoots at night have also made them symbols of wisdom, mystery, and even omens in many cultures around the world. Fact number 18. Wolf. Wolves are highly social animals that live in groups called packs, which usually consist of 6 to 10 members. The pack is led by an alpha male and female, who guide the group in hunting, raising pups, and protecting their territory. Communication is key for wolves, and they use howls, body language, and scent marking to stay connected. Their iconic howl isn't just for the movies, it helps them locate one another and warn rivals to stay away. Despite their fierce reputation, wolves play a vital role in maintaining balance in ecosystems. As apex predators, they help control populations of animals like deer and elk, which in turn keeps plant life and entire habitats healthy. Interestingly, wolves are also known for their strong family bonds, often working together to care for pups and ensuring the survival of the pack. They are intelligent, loyal, and deeply connected to one another, making them one of the most fascinating animals in the wild. Fact number 19. Fox. Foxes are one of the most adaptable animals in the world. They belong to the dog family, but unlike wolves or domestic dogs, foxes are solitary hunters. They are known for their intelligence and cunning behavior, which has made them a symbol of cleverness in many cultures and folktales. Foxes use a wide range of vocalizations, over 40 different sounds, to communicate with each other, from barks to high-pitched screams that can be heard at night. Another fascinating fact is their ability to thrive in almost any environment. From snowy Arctic tundras to busy city streets, foxes have learned to live alongside humans by scavenging food and adjusting their hunting habits. Their diet is omnivorous, meaning they eat everything from small mammals to fruits and insects. This adaptability has allowed foxes to survive and spread across nearly every continent, making them one of the most widespread wild carnivores on Earth. Fact number 20. Bear. Bears are powerful mammals found across North America, South America, Europe, and Asia. There are 8 species of bears, including the giant panda, polar bear, and grizzly bear. Despite their size and strength, many bears are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and meat. Their diet often includes berries, nuts, roots, fish, and small animals, though species like polar bears rely heavily on seals. Bears also play a vital role in their ecosystems, helping spread seeds through their droppings and maintaining balance in the food chain. Another fascinating fact about bears is their ability to hibernate. During winter, many bear species enter a state of deep sleep, slowing their heart rate and conserving energy for months without eating or drinking. This survival strategy allows them to endure harsh winters when food is scarce. Interestingly, mother bears often give birth while hibernating, nurturing their cubs in the safety of the den until spring. This unique combination of strength, adaptability, and care for their young makes bears one of the most fascinating animals in the world. Fact number 21. Deer. Deer are graceful herbivores found across forests, grasslands, and even mountains worldwide. One of their most iconic features is their antlers, which are grown by males and shed each year. These antlers are not just for show, they're used to compete with other males during mating season. Interestingly, deer are excellent runners and can leap high fences with ease, which helps them escape predators like wolves, tigers, and even humans. Another fascinating fact is that deer have an incredible sense of hearing and smell. Their large, sensitive ears can rotate in different directions, allowing them to detect danger from far away. Deer are also crepuscular, meaning they're most active during dawn and dusk, which helps them avoid predators while searching for food like grass, leaves, and fruits. This combination of speed, alertness, and adaptability has made deer one of the most widespread and successful mammals on Earth. Fact number 22. Camel. Camels are often called the ships of the desert because of their incredible ability to survive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. They can go for days without water, thanks to their unique biological adaptations. Instead of storing water in their humps, as many people believe, camels actually store fat there. This fat can be broken down into energy and even small amounts of water, helping them endure long, hot journeys across the desert. Their thick eyelashes, closable nostrils, and wide padded feet also protect them from blowing sand and scorching heat. Another fascinating fact about camels is their efficiency when they finally do drink water. A thirsty camel can consume up to 40 gallons in just one sitting. They are also vital to the cultures and economies of desert regions, serving as transport animals, sources of milk and meat, and even providing wool for clothing. Beyond their practical uses, camels symbolize endurance and resilience, making them one of the most extraordinary animals adapted to life in extreme climates. Fact number 23. Crocodile. Crocodiles are one of the oldest living reptiles on Earth, having existed for over 200 million years. These powerful predators are found in tropical regions across Africa, Asia, the Americas, and Australia. Crocodiles are known for their impressive jaws, which can exert a bite force of over 5,000 pounds per square inch, one of the strongest in the animal kingdom. Despite their fearsome appearance, they are surprisingly fast both in water and on land for short bursts, making them highly effective hunters. Crocodiles are also fascinating for their behavior and biology. They are cold-blooded, meaning they rely on the environment to regulate their body temperature, often basking in the sun to warm up. Crocodiles can live for decades, with some species reaching over 70 years of age. They have excellent night vision and a unique heart structure that allows them to stay underwater for up to an hour while hunting or avoiding danger. These ancient reptiles are a perfect example of survival and adaptation through millions of years. Fact number 24. Tortoise. Tortoises are one of the oldest living reptiles on Earth, with some species having existed for over 200 million years. They are known for their incredibly hard, protective shells, which serve as a defense mechanism against predators. Unlike turtles, tortoises are land dwellers and are adapted to a wide range of environments, from deserts to grasslands. Their slow movement is often associated with longevity, as many tortoise species can live for more than 100 years, making them symbols of patience and resilience. Despite their slow pace, tortoises are surprisingly strong and resilient. They have sturdy legs built for walking long distances in search of food, which primarily consists of plants, fruits, and vegetables. Tortoises also have remarkable navigational skills, often returning to the same spot year after year. Their ability to survive in harsh conditions and their calm, deliberate way of moving have inspired cultures worldwide, appearing in myths and stories as symbols of wisdom and perseverance. And finally, fact number 25. Parrots. Parrots are some of the most intelligent birds in the animal kingdom, known for their bright feathers, curved beaks, and remarkable ability to mimic sounds, including human speech. With over 400 species found in tropical and subtropical regions, parrots thrive in environments ranging from rainforests to savannas. Their strong beaks are perfectly designed for cracking nuts and seeds, which make up a large part of their diet. In fact, some species like the macaw can crack open Brazil nuts that even humans struggle with. But what truly sets parrots apart is their intelligence and social behavior. They are highly social birds that live in flocks, using their calls to communicate and warn each other of danger. Some parrots, like the African gray, are so skilled at mimicking speech that they can learn hundreds of words and even use them in context. Sadly, many parrot species are endangered due to habitat loss and the illegal pet trade. Protecting these colorful birds ensures that their vibrant beauty and clever personalities continue to thrive in the wild. From the tiniest insect to the largest whale, these 25 animal facts remind us that the natural world is full of surprising adaptations, clever behaviors, and delicate balance. Protecting that diversity means small everyday choices matter. Supporting habitat conservation, choosing sustainable products, and resisting the illegal wildlife trade help keep these animals safe. If these 25 facts sparked wonder, let them be a starting point. Share what amazed you, keep asking questions, and take one concrete step this week to help preserve the animals and habitats that make our planet so extraordinary.